Good morning, students. This is Mrs. Hovey. I'm going to go over your assignment for today and tomorrow. But first, just a couple little FYI things. The grade book is totally up to date. I think I have a couple things I need to update, but then it is totally up to date, so you can take a look. Just to clean things up, I've hidden everything up to today in Schoology. If there is something, though, that you need to turn in a project or whatever, send me a message and I will open it up for you, or you can message it to me, something like that. But for now, everything is hidden in Schoology. So as of today, I want you to concentrate on this project that we're going to talk about today. Don't worry about anything in the past. Let's just concentrate on this project. So what's this project? We are going to do a data project. We are going to collect data and organize it and talk about it and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to do this over the next 4 cycles. We're going to start this cycle and it'll be a total of 4 cycles. Each cycle I want you to look for 2 things. The assignment video, which is what you are watching right now, and then there's going to be a check-in form. Those are the 2 things that I want you to look for that will have your assignment in it. I'm going to put it in a couple of places. First, I'm going to put it in the Google Assignments page. I'm going to put the links right in there so that you'll have it and you're ready to go. I'm also going to put it into Schoology, both in the updates and in the materials. For example, today you'll find a 427 through 28 folder in Schoology. That will have the assignment video in it, and it will have the check-in form. And it'll have the links. They'll both be in materials, updates, and the Google assignment page. So you should have no trouble finding where all this information is. So starting today, what are you going to do? I want you to think about what kind of data you would like to collect. Favorite whatever. Could be favorite animal, favorite color, whatever. It could be the ages of the people, who knows, whatever. There could be ages of people. Could be random events. I've had students count the cars that drive by their house from a certain time period every day, and they count the color of cars or whatever. The number of bicyclists that go by your house or by a certain corner or something. Could be almost any kind of data. Once you come up with what kind of data you want to collect, I want you to think about how you're going to collect it. Are you going to survey your family and friends? Are you going to call people? Are you going to use some sort of social media? Like I said, watch for events outside. This is a great excuse to go outside. Go find out how many people go walking and how many people walk with their dogs versus not walk with their dogs. Be creative. I want new and different things. Be creative with what you're looking for. Think of things that you don't think other people have done before. I told you students have gone and counted cars. May not be the most creative way, but if that's the only thing you have access to, go for it. But try to be creative, try to be original. So I'll give you an example. I'm going to do this project with you. So here's mine. Think about what kind of data I'm going to collect. I am going to ask about the ages of my family and friends when they joined Facebook. When I was your age, Facebook did not exist. So when my family and friends joined Facebook, their ages are all over the place, depending upon, how old they were or what generation they were. How I'm going to collect the data, I'm literally going to ask on Facebook. I'm going to put a post on Facebook, ask my family and friends to help me with my teaching, and ask them to post their age that they joined Facebook. And I'll take the data of whoever answers. So there's step 1. What kind of data am I going to collect? Think of this as your title to a graph. Hint, you will be doing a graph at some point. Think about this as the title to your graph. What kind of data are you collecting? This is the how. the what and the how. What are you going to collect? And then second of all, how are you going to collect it? Be specific. Think about calling people, posting it on social media. Like I said, you know, if you're going to find out how many people walk, set a time for yourself to go and do it every day. But figure out how you're going to collect it. I want you to really think about this, what kind of data you want to collect and the best way for you to collect it. Think about the best way to do it. Once you know those two things, you are going to fill out the 427 to 428 check-in form. Again, the link for that will be in Schoology, and it will be on the Google assignment form. So, you know, think about those two things and then fill in the check-in form. I am going to be keeping track of who's filling it out and what data people are doing. So please fill it out. If you change your mind, fill it out again. Okay? If you change your mind. So like if you decide today, oh, I want to count cars and record what color cars go by my house, and you come up with a better idea, fill out the form again and say new idea, and then tell me what your new idea is. But you're going to fill that out. I am going to hold some Google Meets today and tomorrow. They are optional. Come in, say hi, ask questions, clarify something. You know, if you need to bounce an idea over what kind of data you could collect or how the best way for you to collect it is, come on in. I've picked the first 20 minutes of every one of my classes. So this is class 1A, this is 3A, and this is 4A. This is 1B, 2B, and 3B. But realistically, anybody can come at any point in time. So if you can come at 10 o'clock, come at 10 o'clock. If 1 o'clock is better, come at 1 o'clock. If today doesn't work, come tomorrow at some point. Just come in and ask questions. I am open. I will be there. I will be available to chat, to answer questions, to talk about anything you would like to talk about. So again, they're optional, but feel free to come in and talk to me. So let's recap. First thing you're going to do, watch this assignment video. That's always going to be the first thing you do, starting today, and then the next 3 cycles, you're always going to watch the assignment video first. Today, you're then going to think about the data you're going to collect and how you're going to collect it, and then you're going to fill in the check-in form. So that's always what you are going to do. You're always going to have a video first, then you will have some sort of work that you have to do, and then you will have a check-in form that you need to do. If you have questions, please send me a message, come to one of the Google Meets, and have a great day.